Okay, sir.
Say your company has a fiscal year which is ending on 31st March 2023,
Okay, sir.
the coming 31st March. So in that case, your financial year for your company is 2022 because the first period was April 2022 and the last day of the first period was in calendar year 2022. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
I mean, even sir, if fiscal year is 2022 means it is a combination of 20. I mean, I mean, if it is the first period is July, then July 1st, 2022, until June 31st, 2023. That is fiscal year 22, right, sir?
yes, right. Because your first period is in the calendar year 2022.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Okay.
the fiscal year will be 2022.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
And what is the application to create this fiscal year? It is P
Yes, sir.
0008.
We-
I am running this application P0008.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
here so many years are already defined.
Yeah.
In your PY environment, you will also find so many years.
Yes, sir.
So let me check this first. As I told you, we find A to N and R, the total 15. So if I check this, the last year here in J pattern is, it is starting from 1st April 2020.
Yes, sir.
So this is available, but other fiscal year is not available. So if in case I want to create a company for a different year,
Mhm.
then the system will definitely ask for a year. Let me tell you is P0010. I want to create a company. It is company name is whatever 22,000. Rajkumar and Company Limited. I am taking here
Okay, sir.
J current period and I want to fiscal year. If I want to take this fiscal year at 040122, then system will not show the record currency INR and what it says
Yes, sir. There is
date
pattern
pattern
invalid.
invalid because it is not available in the system.
Yes, sir.
So system will go one step one by one. You cannot jump. You cannot bypass the step. This is the beauty of the system.
Yes.
Okay. So here P 0008. I am checking what is the fiscal year. So last is this one.
2020. Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to
Okay,
create
sir.
a new fiscal year. J 04 DDMMYY. Remember, please. First two,
Okay.
the month, then date, and then year. And one more thing. When there is a leap year, please ensure
Yes, sir.
that you are taking 29 day in February.
Okay. Okay, sir.
In case through an oversight for February, if you are ending the period of February on 28th, then
Yes, sir.
transaction of 29 will go in the next month, March month.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So make sure. And you will have to create this fiscal date pattern for 3 years. Past year, present year, and the future year. System will not create the fiscal year automatically.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Don't think that once you create it, the system will automatically create. It will not create.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So here I am creating 04/01/21. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, up to 31st March, that is account is there. So my first period will end on 04/30/21. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I am
Yes.
starting from 1st April. So this April
Yes, sir.
end on 04. The next period will be 05/31/21.
Yes, sir.
Next period 06/30/21.
Yes.
07/31/21. 08/31/21. 09/30/21. 10/31/21.
Yes.
And this is November. So 11/30/21. Then 12/31/21. Then 01/31/22.
Yes, sir.
And this is 22. It is not leap year. Okay, it is not leap year.
Yes, sir.
So I will put 02/28/22. And now this is the last month. So if I put here 03/31/22 and if I leave these two field blank, then system will automatically fill up this. Let me save it. These are not filled by me, 13 and 14.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes.
purpose, I will tell you what is the purpose. So
Okay.
it is now saved. So this is a year
Yes, sir.
I created. Now I am revising it. See,
Yes.
13 and
13 and
14.
14.
Because from the last 12 period, it will automatically take. So what is the purpose of
Okay.
this period 13 and 14?
Yes, sir.
JD Edward given an opportunity that you keep these 2 days for your audit adjustment. Every company's account are audited.
Okay.
So in that case, if you want to create this for audit adjustment, then say you want 2 days for audit adjustment.
Okay, sir.
Then I am removing this, I am removing this, and I am revising this. 03/29/22. I will end my 12 period on this. And 03 audit entry will be passed on these 2 days. I will close this end period 12, then 30th and
Okay.
31st, these 2 days. So in this 13 and 14 period, you can pass adjustment entries. And if you do not want this 2 period for audit adjustment, we never used in India, I can say nobody use. So just you define 12 period only.
Okay, sir.
Last day will be 31st March, 12th period will be 31st March.
Yeah. So when you say audit purpose or adjusting entries, I mean, when we, at the time of year-end closure, if we come to know there are some mismatch in the journal entries, if the accounts are not getting balanced, so we use those 2 days for making the adjustment entries.
No,
Is
it is
that-
not necessary. It is not necessary. Adjustment entry means, say we took care of each and everything. Just take this
Yes, sir.
example, and we are keeping these 2 days, 2 period, 13 and 14 for audit adjustment. In that case, whatever we are passing the journal entry, we will pass only in these 2 days, 30th and 31st March. Leftover entries we can pass in these 2 days. So there is no need to search throughout the system for many entries. This is the purpose, not more than that.
Okay.
This is the facility provided by JD Edward. But is it not necessary? It is up to you whether you are using it or not.
Okay.
Ultimately, your balance sheet will be for 12 months only, because these 2 days are from the period 12 only.
Yes, sir. Yes.
These 2 days are part of March 22. So total period is 12 months only.
Yes, sir.
12 period you are ending on 29th March, and 13 period on 30th March, and 14 period on 31st March. Ultimately, year is for 12 months.
Yes, sir.
So first you will have to decide your fiscal year.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And
Sir, one more thing, sir. Sorry to interrupt. Is it necessary that we need to create date pattern past, present, and future? Not only, I mean, I have seen in the previous screen, sir, where 2018 and 17 is missing. So, I mean, now we are in, let's say, now we are in fiscal year 2022. If you are following this particular date pattern, so what is the need, sir? If because that fiscal year is already passed, 21 is already passed.
yes, see,
Because
no explanation is given in JD Edward documentation. But as per my experience,
okay,
telling you my practical experience, it is explanation from my side, not from Oracle. This is my own explanation. First of all,
okay,
when you are going to implement something in a company like JD Edward,
yes, sir.
you will bring data to JD Edward from the legacy system. There will be a cutoff date, and cutoff date is already treated as a previous year. So
Okay,
all the entries of cutoff date will be treated as past entries. So that is why it is required. And once I was practicing in the demo, and I found later on where, I don't know whether it was multi-currency or something like that. So I did not create the previous year. It is my own experience. There is no explanation in JDA documentation. You won't find any explanation on this. But I
yes, sir.
did not create the previous year. And I was going to post a particular voucher batch. Then system asked the previous year is not defined.